Did you know that over 70% of small businesses fail within the first 10 years? Crazy, right? But what if I told you that those who do succeed can create jobs, innovate, and even change lives? Today, we are diving into how you can start your own business and become part of that success story. Introduction. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Stream More channel. If you've ever thought about starting your own business, now is the time to get excited. Entrepreneurship isn't just about making money, it's about following your passion, being your own boss, and making a real impact. So, buckle up, because we are going to explore the ins and outs of launching your own venture today. Presentation of Problem Challenge. Alright, let's get real for a second. Starting your own business can feel like standing at the edge of a cliff, right? You might be thinking, what if I fail? What if I lose all my money? What if I don't know what I'm doing? These fears are totally normal. A lot of people worry about financial risks and the lack of experience. The truth is, those barriers can feel pretty daunting. But here's the thing. Every successful entrepreneur once stood where you are now, facing those same fears. It's all about figuring out how to push through those challenges and take that leap. Did you know that over 70% of small businesses fail within the first 10 years? Crazy, right? But what if I told you that those who do succeed can create jobs, innovate, and even change lives? Today, we are diving into how you can start your own business and become part of that success story. Exploration Development. So, how do you actually get started? Let's break it down. First off, there are plenty of businesses you can launch without breaking the bank. Think about starting an online store, offering freelance services, or even creating digital content like blogs or YouTube channels. The world is your oyster. Next, market research is crucial. Find out what people need, what they're interested in, and how you can fill that gap. And don't skip out on a business plan. Trust me, having a roadmap can help guide you through the rough patches. Start small, set achievable goals, and just take one step at a time. Climax Key Moment. Now, let me share a quick success story with you. Meet Sarah. She was just like many of you, stuck in a 9-to-5 job she didn't love, dreaming about starting her own bakery. After battling her fears, she took the plunge. With just $500, she launched an online bakery, selling her delicious treats. Fast forward 2 years, and her business is thriving. She's expanded to a brick-and-mortar shop and hired 5 employees. Sarah's story shows that with passion, determination, and a little creativity, you can turn your dreams into reality. Conclusion Summary. So, to wrap this up, starting your own business is absolutely within your reach. Remember, it's all about mindset, a bit of planning, and taking those first steps. You've got what it takes to make your entrepreneurship dreams come true. Call to Action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What business ideas are buzzing in your head? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and inspiration on your entrepreneurial journey. Let's make those dreams happen together. Thank you for the watching Stream More channel. Please like, share and subscribe to get more informations.